Hello students, good afternoon. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to discuss our unit test only. Okay, today we are not going to discuss our units from English 1. Okay, we are going to discuss unit test 1 and unit test 2 English 1 solution. Okay, so let's begin. Question 1 of unit test 1. First I will finish unit test 1, then unit test 2. Okay. So in unit test 1, select the rhyming word for the heat. Heat's rhyming word is street. That is option D. Okay, street is the correct answer. Heat street. So you see, it is getting rhyme. Now question 2, avial is a dish made in Gujarat, Kerala, Goa, Karnataka, where it is famous for Kerala, right? In the story itself, you can get this answer. So Kerala is the correct answer. Question 3, in which season is ice cream popular? What season you are eating ice cream more? That is in summer, right? In the summer season we are eating more, so answer will be the summer. And in poem also the ice cream, and you can get this answer. Question number 4. The cook had planned to make another dish using the vegetable scrap. So this is true or false? That is false. That cook had not planned to make another dish using the vegetable scraps. Now see question 5. What were the preparations in the palace for? What were the preparations in the palace for? Lunch, dinner, breakfast. So it was for dinner, right? Maharaja has planned to get a dinner feast, right? Dinner is the correct answer. Now question 6, with what avial was decorated? If you have learned the story, you can give this answer. With what it got decorated? That is with curry leaves, right? With a curry leaves it got decorated. Question 7, who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? You are getting full joyful? Yes, you are getting. So what you are? You are a child. And number of child are there, then we call it as a children. So the correct answer is a children feel joyful when they see the ice cream man. Question number 8, gather around means, if you know the meaning, new words and spelling words you have read, then you can get this answer. Gather around means cluster. Question number 9 now. Sorry, that was a previous question number 8. So question number 9, that is select the correct spelling word from the given option. Which option is the correct spelling word? That is a trundling, right? So here you can see trundling. What is the spelling of trundling? Trundling. So this is the correct one. Question number 10, that is select the rhyming word for hard. Okay. What is the rhyming word? Hard, yard, right? So yard will be the rhyming word. Here the question, it is not asked for opposite word. It is asked for rhyming word. Okay. It is asked for rhyming word, not that one, opposite word. So rhyming word is yard. Okay. The bridegroom went to visit his. So this is from Bamboo Curry. The bridegroom went to visit his mother-in-law. Mother-in-law is the correct answer. Who wrote the poem Ice Cream Man? Who wrote it? Rachel Field. If you remember, you can give this answer. Question number 13. The bamboo curry was made from bamboo dur, bamboo shoots, potato and chili. It is made up of bamboo shoots, not a bamboo dur. Okay. Question number 14. Sorry. Yes. Select the rhyming word for the table. So what is the rhyming word for table? Table, label. Right? Table, label. So data is getting rhyme. Label is the correct answer. Okay. Now, question number 50. What it is? Select the ingredients that are used to make AVL. If you remember, so cook has prepared AVL. So what are the ingredients required to prepare that recipe? Curd, curry leaves, vegetable scraps. All of these are required. So answer will be D. All of the above are required. Okay. Now see the next question. That is question 16. Look what a surprise means. If you remember the new words and spelling words, you can say lo and behold. That means look what a surprise. So this is the correct answer. Now let's see question 17. What are the things that Ice Cream Man is selling? Ice Cream Man was selling something, right? What are the things? Ice cream, cold drink, flowers, or ice cream and cold drink both. So if you remember, Ice Cream was selling ice cream and Frosty Freeze, that is cold drink. So option D is the correct because it has to contain both. Question 18. What bridegroom carried with him? When bridegroom went to meet his mother-in-law, while going back to home, he carried something. What it was? That is bamboo dur, right? Correct. He took bamboo dur with him. Now question 19. The cook had not planned to throw away the vegetable scrap. Is it true or is it false? It is false, right? Cook had not planned to throw away vegetable scrap. Correct? Okay. So let's see the next question. That is question number 20. What did it say? That in the poem Ice Cream Man, the flower bed is compared with. If you remember the poem, flower bed is compared with something. So it will be ice cream cart. Okay. Now question 21. Select the correct spelling word from the given option. If you remember the correct spelling of traditional, you can give this answer. Traditional. Traditional. So traditional is option A is the correct. Question number 22. No one had heard of tested AVL before. So this is true, right? This sentence is true. Now let's see question 23. That is select an indirect activity from the given option. So here 4 option is given. So in that one option is the indoor activity and remaining will be different. Drawing, trekking, swimming, playing cricket. So if you want to play cricket or if you want to do swimming or trekking, you need to go outside from your home, right? So the correct answer will be drawing. Question number 24. Select the flowers of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. What are the flowers has ice cream man in his cart? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Which flavor? So I think all of the flavor it has, right? If all of these there, then all of the above is the correct answer. And the last one is thick word used in the poem for the following. So thick word used in the poem for the cluster. So this is the correct answer. If you read the poem, you can get this answer. Okay. So let's see our answer result. Okay. Yeah. Let me submit it. Yeah, here. I think I have submitted. Let me see the score. Yes, you can see here. I got 25 out of 25. That is meaning my all question are correct. Correct. So let's see again. Select the rhyming word for it. Street. Evil dish is made in Kerala. In which season is the ice cream popular? That is summer. Cook had planned to make another dish using the vegetable spread. That is false. He had not planned anything. What were the preparation in the palace for? That is for dinner. With what Avial was decorated? That is curry leaves. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? That is children are feeling that joyful. Gather around means cluster. In the given four option, we need to select the correct spelling. That is trundling. Trundling. Then hard. So rhyming word for hard is yard. Here it is not opposite word. If opposite word would have asked, then the answer should be saw. But here it is rhyming, so yard is the correct one. The bridegroom went to visit his mother-in-law. This is from Bamboo Curry. Who wrote the poem Ice Cream Man? That is Rachel Field wrote the poem. The bamboo curry was made from bamboo shoots, right? The bamboo curry was made from bamboo shoots. Select the rhyming word for table. So table, label. Here ingredients required for avial. So that is curd, curry leaves, vegetable. All are required. So all of the above. Look what a surprise means. Love and behold. That is the mean. Question number 17. What are the things that the ice cream man is selling? That ice cream and cold drinks are selling that ice cream man, right? Now let's see further. That is what bridegroom carried with him. That is the bamboo door. The cook had no plan to throw away the vegetable scraps. So that is false. Cook had planned to throw it. In the poem Ice Cream Man, the flower bed is compared with the ice cream cart. That is the correct answer. Select the correct spelling word from the given option though. Here traditional. Traditional. That is traditional is the correct answer. No one had heard or tasted avial before. So true is the correct answer. Select an indoor activity from given option. That trekking, swimming, playing cricket are outdoor activities. So drawing is the indoor activity that you can do at your home. Select the flavor of ice cream. The ice cream man has it in cart. That is vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. That is all of the above. Thick word used in the poem for the following. That is the cluster. Okay. So here we have finished our unit test 1 solution. Let's see our unit test 2. So here you can see unit test 2 is written. Standard 5 English 1. So let's see the question 1. What it says question 1. What time of the day do you think it is when your shadow is the tallest? If you remember the poem My Shadow, you can get this answer. Or if you have observed at your home, what time your shadow will be larger? So that is the correct answer is the morning. So in the morning, you can see your shadow is tallest. So morning is the correct answer. Okay. Now question 2, that Who do feel joyful on seeing the ice cream man? This is from unit test 1 only. Who is feeling joyful? Children, right? Children are feeling joyful. So you can see where I have made a very easy paper for you student. If you remember unit test 1 also, you can get one or two answer correct. So here children is the correct answer. Question 3. Choose the proper meaning for the word starving. So if you remember new words and spelling word, you can get this answer. Starving means you are getting hungry when you feel you want to eat food. So very hungry. That is the correct answer. Right? Okay. And the question number 4. The tree was the house of flock of wild geese. So if you remember the geese story, then you can get this answer. The tree was the house of a flock of wild geese. So that is true. The sentence is true because there in that tree only all the geese were staying. So this is true. Who wrote the poem Teamwork? Teamwork, teamwork. If you remember the teamwork poem, that is our unit 2. Who wrote this? That is written by, who wrote this? Jan Negro. It is written by Jan Negro. The poet says you must cry much. Right? The poet says you must cry much. So you must cry much. So that is true because in our poem, the crying, poet is telling us to cry as much as possible. Question number 7, that where was Robinson Crusoe? So if you remember the Robinson Crusoe story, you can get this answer. Where was he? Alone on an island. That is the correct answer. Question number 8, rearrange. So here some letters are given, T, T, E, R, M, U, E, D, and we need to rearrange and we need to make one meaningful word. So here muttered is the meaningful word we can see from the option. So which one is the correct? So muttered spelling is M-U-T-T-E-R-E-D. So answer second is the correct one. What had the cook planned to do with vegetable scraps? The cook had planned to throw away the vegetable scrap or to store the vegetable scrap or to make another dish using the vegetable scrap. Which one you are thinking? So the correct answer is throw away cook had planned. So one is the correct one. What are the things that Munna like to do? Play games. You see Munna and Bhaiya story, my elder brother story is there. So in that, Munna like to do what are the things? Play games, fly kite, draw picture of birds and animals. So the answer will be all of the above. Play games, fly kites, draw pictures, birds and animals. Because Munna likes to do all three. So that's why we have selected D. Choose the proper meaning for the word boulder. So here one word is given boulder. And what is the meaning of that? So meaning will be confused, anxious, more confident or occupied. So the answer will be more confident. This is the answer. Question number 12. Select the correct meaning for the given word partner. So what is the correct meaning for partner? Partner means companion who is working with you. We call it as a partner. So the correct answer should be companion. So companion is the correct answer. The hunter climbed with the help of a ladder, stage, the creeper or a bird. So in the wild geese story, if you remember, the hunters climbed with the help of the creeper. That is the correct answer. What did the frog do all the day? So in the lazy frog, If you remember, what did the frog was doing all the day? That he was just sleeping, right? Slept all the day. So that is the correct answer. Question 15. Fill in the blank using given option. I saw many houses. Blank space were quite suspicious. I saw many houses which were quite suspicious. What were quite suspicious? So the answer is which were quite suspicious. Now let's see question number 16. Who do you think your shadow looks like? From my shadow, who do you think that your shadow looks like? That I think my shadow looks like me only, right? It will, if my shadow is there, then it will be look like me only. So I think my shadow looks like me. That is the correct answer. Question number 17. Write the full form for the following. We want. So were not is the correct full form. So the answer will be question number 17. Answer is were not. That is the C. Now what did Bhaiya do all the day? If you remember the Munna and Bhaiya, my elder brother story, what Bhaiya was doing all the day? Bhaiya slept all the day. Bhaiya played all the day. Bhaiya danced all the day. Bhaiya studied all the day. So the correct answer is Bhaiya studied all the day. Right? Bhaiya was studying and Munna was playing. So Bhaiya studied all the day. The words in the sentence are jumbled. Write in order. So I, the towards footprint, large went. So this word, all the words are randomly written. Okay, we need to arrange this and we need to make one meaningful sentence. What we need to do? We need to write one meaningful sentence. So I went towards footprint large, I went large footprint towards, I went towards the large footprint. So, and the large footprint towards went I. The correct answer is I went towards the large footprint. Who went? So this is the subject I and action is receiving the footprint. So subject will be first, object will be last, and the action will be in between. So I went towards the large footprint. Question number 20, that Rip was rude to children. That is false, right? Because Rip was helpful to children. So the correct answer is false. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? Because it looked smaller than his. It didn't look like human footprint. There was an animal outside his cave. He had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. So Robinson Crusoe was sure for that. That footprint is not him. Why? Because he had not come to this part of this in a long time. Fill in the blank with the correct word. I ran as fast as I could, but I was frightened. Because I was frightened. So the correct answer is because. Why you run as fast as? Because you are frightened. That's all. Who wrote the poem Crying? Who wrote this poem? That is Galway Kinnell, right? Galway Kinnell. That is the correct answer. Now question number 24. Choose the proper meaning for the word GRI, grizzled. What is the meaning of grizzled? That is, with grey hair, we call it as a grizzle. With grey hair is the correct answer. And the Robinson was afraid when he looked at the bushes tree. Why he was afraid when he looked? Because he felt that human is following, right? Some creature is following. So Robinson was afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees. So this sentence is true. Okay. So let's see. Let me submit the answer and we will see the result. Okay. So I have submitted the result and my answer came. So I got 25 out of 25. My all question are correct. Okay. My all answer are correct. So let's see the answer. What time of the day do you think when your shadow is the tallest? That is in the morning. Who do feel joyful on seeing the ice cream? And that is children. Choose the proper meaning for the word starving. That is very hungry. That is the correct one. Then question 4. That is tree was the house of the flock of wild geese. That is true. Who wrote the poem Teamwork? That teamwork is written by Jan Negro. The poet says you must cry much. So this is true. Poet wants us to cry much and then he wants us to be happy. There was Robinson Crusoe alone on Iceland. Now TTERNUED we need to rearrange and we need to select the correct spelling word. So that is muttered. What had question number 9? That is what had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scrap? He planned to throw them away. Question 12. What are the things that Munna likes to do? That is, Munna likes to play cricket, play a game, fly kites, drawing pictures of birds and animals. That Munna likes to do. So all of the above is the correct answer. Now question 11. What is the bolder meaning? That is the more confident. Question 12. Select the correct meaning for the given word partner. That is companion. That is the partner. Okay. The hunter climbed with the help of creeper. What did the frog do all the day? The frog all the day was sleeping only, right? He slept all the day. Fill in the blank using given option. I saw many houses which were quite suspicious. Who do you think your shadow looks like? It looks like me. That is the correct answer. Write the full form for the following word. That is a bear not. That is the correct answer. What did Bhaiya do all the day? Bhaiya all day studied, right? So Bhaiya studied all the day. The word in the sentence are jumbled. Write in the order. So in the two words, footprint, large, went. I went towards the large footprint. That is the correct sentence. And Rip was rude to children. That is false. Rip was good to children. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? Because he never visited. He had not come to that end of the island long time before, right? Beach in the long time. Question 22. Fill in the blank with the correct word. I ran as fast as I could. Blank says I was frightened. Because I was frightened. Who wrote the poem Crying? That is Galway Kinnell wrote that poem. Okay. 24. Choose the proper meaning for grizzle. That is with a very grey hair. We call it as a grizzled. And the last one is Robinson was afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees. This is a true sentence. Okay. Here we have finished our unit test 1 and unit test 2 solution. Okay, of English 1. Next class we are going to discuss English 2, unit test 1 and unit test 2 paper. Okay. Thank you.